Hi, this is Litre from Toyota Parts Plus. Today with a 2005 Toyota RAV4 stock number 5992. It's ran from 07 2003 to the 10th 2005. There's a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a 2AZ FE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front guard no dents, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right rear door no dents, right front 16-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right front door mirror, right front door no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,